Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me today. And if you're new here, please do well to subscribe and leave me a comment down below so I know you are enjoying the videos I post out. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you are prompted every time I post a video. Today we are making beetroot and banana puree or drink. This is an immune booster and would obviously need beetroot and some bananas. We would be needing some liquid for our puree or juice. So I will be using milk. Any kind of milk you'd want, you can use it. So I have my beetroot washed, peeled and chopped. It will be going into my saucepan. And then I'll be adding in a little water and boil it for 10 minutes. Like I previously said, we are making an immune booster. This is obviously very important, especially in the season in which we find ourselves in. So now my beetroot is cooked. I made it cool down for a bit. Also washed, peeled and broken into pieces. In goes my banana. And then I add my milk. If your child is lactose intolerant, you can add water and any sweetener of your choice. This is the end product of our blended beetroot and banana. Though this is for our bloomers, nkwalanum, mpenifornum, memanum, emanum, do try this and let me know how it went. Next, we'll be pureeing our beetroot and banana for our babies. I added breast milk and blended, and here we have it in the puree state. FYI, pediatricians recommend beetroot only after your child has turned 8 months. As we continue staying safe, boost the immune systems of our bloomers with this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and share with others as well. Until we meet again next time, keep blooming.